What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? Y'all know it's Monday, so I gotta go to work. It's like 4:15 in the p.m. I'm about to get out there and go to work. Gotta take care of my Monday work schedule, and that's about it. You know, I have my rest. No annoying phone calls. No annoying posts and people complaining about anything. I'm good. I'm ready. I just gotta get out here and take care of these buildings and come home and find some food and relax and get up and do the same thing tomorrow, you know, with the blessings of all the gods, That's it. That's all I care about. I'm not worried about who's talking about this, who's talking about that, who's smoking this, who's smoking that. That's not none of my concern. The only thing I'm concerned about, as long as you're doing something positive in your life, that's all that matters. If you're doing all the negatory stuff to ruin your life, to slow down your life pattern or whatever, you need to change. You need and people that keep talking about they got this person that they dealing with that they love and want to be with and all that, and the person is not giving them no love in return and just just using them for whatever they can use them for. Cut that person off. Stop talking about that person. Get that person out of your life because you don't want to drag that trash with you into 2024. If they're not loving you, they're not respecting you, they're not showing you their admiration or the support that you are showing them, and every time you explain yourself, they try to give you an excuse why they don't want to be with you, or they try to town talk you, let them go. You can do bad by yourself. Being single, you never died from a broken heart. But when you're trying to deal with somebody that you put on a pedestal and now a lot of things went a little wrong where you can't do what you've been doing for them, now they're giving you their behind to kiss. Let them go. Let them go. You can be on your own. Let them go. Stop putting all this poor me on Facebook, poor me on Instagram, poor me on TikTok. Man up, woman up. Let that abusive, using person go, and you will figure your way. Heal yourself, and God will find somebody for you that will love you, respect you, and support your dreams at whatever you want to be. That's what it's about. Sometimes God put that ugly person in your face to let you see. Stop dealing with just because she looked good at that time and you kept spending all your money on her and all that stuff, or you kept spending all your money on him and all that, and y'all lived a good time. Now, hey, it's over. It's over. Face the fact, it's over. Stop complaining to people. Stop looking for sympathy on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Ain't nobody got sympathy for you because everybody's dealing with their own situation. I got a situation myself. I'm cool. I deal with whatever I deal with. I'm not trying to tell people about it. I might give you episodes of reasons why I stopped doing certain things, but I'm not going to tell you what's actually wrong with me. That makes no sense. Remember, a lot of this Facebook stuff is run by AI. Y'all following these National Father Day, National Son Day, National Jailbird Day, National Girl Day, National Creep Day, National this day, National that day. When are y'all going to focus on? We're already in the midst of World War III. Russia and Ukraine is firing missiles and stuff. They're firing missiles and stuff in the Middle East. What's going on? I ain't got time to worry about no celebrity problems because a celebrity is just nothing but a regular person that got money. I'm not a celebrity groupie. I don't care about what's going on with Will Smith and Jada Pinkett. They're human just like us. They're just human that got more money. But more money, more problems. Biggie. Y'all take care. I gotta get ready to go to work. Smooth One Productions, and I'm out.